Okay, everybody, this is Loretta Living. I just got back from Walmart. I am doing a haul from Walmart. I'm going to show you what I got. Some grits. I always buy that many because they last us. This is the best ice cream. It's chocolate. This is the best ice cream. So you see I got chocolate, strawberry, and Mr. R likes pecan. I got two of these, $3.44. They are so delicious. It's like you're eating the ones from the shop. These eggs were 90 cents each. You get 18 in there, and they are large. So I got two of those. I put all this stuff in the refrigerator. I got this was $8. Eat one of these in a few minutes. $8 for 8 of them. They had these shirts for $2.88, and I love this fabric. I'm telling you, it washed so good. I know about fabric. It's not cotton. It's a stretch like. And these were $2.88. So I got this color. I got brown, gray, red. I got every color. I got red. Cause we are not over the hot weather yet, guys. We're just getting started. Then I had one in black. And I even got purple. No, I got brown. Purple. I got two brown. Oh. Okay. Purple. I have another last minute summer, and I like the little straps. Perfect. You can wear this year round. I'm on my stove, so I want to put my stuff up even though my stove is clean. So I got that from Walmart. Some shirts. I got this from Walmart. I like to buy these in a 12-pack because sometimes I will open these at night and eat me a snack instead of eating the wrong thing. I got the Oscar Myers for $3. For the family pack, it's the cheapest way to buy this, guys. The family pack is 20 in there, so it's 3 packs in. I think it's 3 packs, 4 packs in here. $100. It's cheaper to buy it in the family pack for $3. Okay, now I used to stick this whole thing after I wipe it off. I'm still wiping myself off, guys. I cannot help it because we still going through something. So everybody fingers it all. I wipe it off real good before I put it in the refrigerator. And like I said, it's 12 of these little small ones for the peaches. 12 in here, and I put the whole thing in the refrigerator. Okay, what else did I get from Walmart? I didn't get that from Walmart. Now I'm gonna show you Sam's. I went to Sam's, and this was $8 for the 2-pack. Put this in the refrigerator. Potato salad. You know this is $4. I don't know the cents, but how much it was. $4. Then I saw these. The lemonade. I like to add a little bit of this in my water. So this was $6. I think this was $6, guys. It might be $8, but it was one of them. I got lemonade and pink lemonade. What else did I get? I always buy this tuna fish like this. Let me tell you, I went in. Have anybody ever been in Jimmy? I think it's Jimmy Cricket or Jimmy something. Jimmy D or Jimmy something. It's a sandwich restaurant. I went in there and they had these all on their shelf, stacked real high. I said, when I go back to Sam's, I'm gonna buy my own tuna fish, make my own sandwich. Those sandwiches are not cheap, but they are good, and it's the bread they use. It's so good. I bought we went there, and my daughter, we all bought a sandwich from there, and the bread was so good. My granddaughter ate hers up. I'm telling you, she would not eat hers outside because of the ants. She don't like ants. So She saved her sandwich because she was just steady looking around. I don't know where kids get that from, but I kind of hate it. But we sat outside near the pool and had our sandwich, an 8-ounce sandwich, and she saved hers when she got in the house. Anyway, so she as soon as she got in the house, honey, she tore that sandwich up. You hear me? Okay, what else did I get from Sam's? You know they always have the fresh chicken, so this is what we're gonna have tonight. And you know it's always $4. So I bought fresh chicken, and they're always huge. Their chickens are always huge. So I bought the chicken. What else did I get from Sam's? Hold on a minute. I purchased these from the Walmart, and I bought a whole carton that they had. These are delicious. They make you eat too much cream, but oh my goodness, I can eat a bowl like this every day. So I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. They have these are very nice, guys. I purchased this from Walmart. Break it up, put some water in here, break it up, and put it in the microwave. Saving some time. I had watermelons for $4.97. I thought that was a good deal. People were putting them in their buggy. And then I got my grits from Walmart. So, fun. And I said, look at this green tea. I'm going to buy this. Because it was $6 for all this. I think it's 6 or 4. I'm sorry about the price. But I bought this citrus green tea so I can drink one of those at least every other day. You know, green tea keeps your system clean, so I need that. That'll make me stop drinking sodas. Purchase Pine-Sol. Smells so good in your house when you're cleaning. This was $10 for these 2 gallons. I think these are a gallon and a half. And I got that because I usually just buy a single one at the Dollar Tree. And I said, I'm just going to get one for $10. Hey, so you get 2 of those for $10. This is what I do to my eggs. I bought these containers from the Dollar Tree. This is how they look. They have the top and they have the bottom. So what I usually do is when I get my eggs, I take them out and put them in here. Now, the way I know the old eggs is that I put them in this big container. Before Dollar Tree had these, I bought this from Burlington. So this is an old. So what I'm gonna do is take my eggs out, and I like to take them out and put them in here. I know some people probably saying that's just too much trouble, but I always take my eggs out, throw the carton away, and I put them in here. And stack them real nice in my refrigerator. And then you put the top on here. So these are the old eggs. So then I put that on top of here like that. And then get the rest of the eggs out. You know, Walmart is so big that Mr. R and I are getting to where we don't want to do all that extra walking. So we'll split up. We have the same buggy in the same area. And we'll split up. He'll go get the eggs, get the drinks that he like. And he came back and said he went look at the eggs, because sometimes we get our eggs from Aldi's. And he said, Loretta, these are 90 cents each. I said, oh my goodness, thank you. Because you know, sometimes they are 90 cents in Aldi's. And I get them in Aldi's. So I got them at Walmart this time because they were 90 cents. You can't beat it. And they're talking about how prices of food is going up. You better find the best bargain you can find. So these were 90 cents in Walmart. So I couldn't beat that. And then here's a pot for this. It's gonna go in my refrigerator. This one in the trash. And what else did I want to show you? Oh, this is what I was telling you. Now this, I'll open this up and keep my scooper ready. Or just a spoon and put a little bit in a water container and shake it up. You talking about good. And that keeps you drinking. You're drinking a lot of sodas. I should have got this a long time ago. You see my stomach now? But I'm gonna lose it. So you put this in your water and shake it up. That'll make you drink water. So that is my haul for today. I want to thank you guys for watching everything and giving you some good tips, like going by these from Dollar Tree. They still have them. And put your eggs in here, throw those containers away. Thank you, Loretta Living. I want to thank you so much. Go to Sam's, get your cheese, make your eggs. $8. Scramble eggs and put a little cheese on there. Not a lot. Guys, we have got to learn how to eat less and enjoy our food. This is Loretta Living. You know, put my eggs up here. Eggs up here. I have the old ones up here. And I will use those first. I'll put this in my hot dogs. I'll purchase these from the Dollar Tree, guys. They are delicious. I keep them in the refrigerator. And that's terrible because it'll make you eat more. And I put my hot dogs up here. I don't know if I'm putting it in the freezer. This is going to be trash. This is always trash. So throw all your old food away. Put your new food in here. Put my cheese up here. This is cheese that I have wrapped up here. Cheese up here. I put it off. Drinks over here. I love my refrigerator units. This refrigerator is probably a year old. And yes, we bought another one. I do have two. Bought another one because we thought that one was broke. Mr. R found a part to it, and now I have two refrigerators. So I'm scared to give one away. And sometimes you give one away and something happens to it. So I like this one. It says, look at this. Let me show you. You can open this side. Besides opening up a big refrigerator if you got kids, just pop it open like that. And there are your drinks, cheese, a butter, or whatever you need, right there at you. That's it. Can't beat that. I need to put some water over here because I could just put using water, but that's okay. I'll leave the water like it is. Cold drinks. So to make me drink this green tea, I'm gonna put it right here in the refrigerator behind Mr. R sodas. So when he opens this up, he will have, let me show you. He'll have his drinks in here. And I'll have my drinks right here.